Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ladders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HBTower 5-foot wide. The HBTower 5-foot wide step folding stepladder is ideal for inside tasks in apartments and smaller homes, thanks to its sturdiness on slightly uneven ground and easy to climb wider than typical rungs. We also found that the rubber feet and non-slip threads helped prevent slipping or sliding. The ladder is a bit over 5 feet tall when closed and has 8.5-inch deep, strong plastic rungs, which perfectly fit a men's size 9.5 shoes during testing. The ladder folds down to quite impressive thinness, 1.6 inches, the thinnest on our list, making it easy to store next to an appliance or in a tight closet. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Little Giant Ladder's Velocity 17. If you are tackling a big home renovation or have many DIY projects on your to-do list, the M17 Velocity from Little Giant is the only ladder you need. It's a step ladder, staircase ladder, extension ladder, 90-degree ladder, all in one. The big advantage of this ladder is its adjustment system that lets you reconfigure it. During testing, changing the configurations was a quick and easy process. We also found it very sturdy and easily supported our team members' weight in any of the configurations. The ratcheting leg levelers allow you to safely position the ladder, even on ground that's not level. We also found that the ladder folds to a reasonable size when not in use, with wheels that make it easy to maneuver wherever you need it. At number 3, we have the HBTower 3-step ladder with handrails. We felt very stable while climbing up and down during our testing process. It has a steel frame and 3 heavy-duty plastic rungs, which at 8.3 inches deep give plenty of support for your feet. Metal handrails on both sides of the rungs, as well as at the top of the ladder, are covered with a cushiony foam to provide even more safety and stability. This ladder also includes a handy detachable tool bag with 4 pockets to hold paintbrushes, screwdrivers, hammers, or other small tools. However, it does not have built-in storage. When fully open, the entire ladder, including the upper handrail, measures 55 inches high. At number 2, we have the Cosco 6-foot Signature Series step ladder. The ladder has 3 regular rungs, but the 4th top rung is a large platform that is wide and deep enough to place your whole foot on. It's 13.5 inches deep. The platform is 45 inches above the ground, but the frame extends 24 inches higher, providing a secure grip should you need one. The reach height of this ladder is around 8 feet, making it a good choice for many projects. If you have upcoming painting projects, you'll especially love the large tray for holding a can of paint, paintbrushes, or other tools. We especially loved the attachment for holding a roll of paper towels, so we could keep them handy for quick cleanups of paint drips or similar messes. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt 4-foot fiberglass step ladder. If you just need a sturdy fiberglass step ladder for tackling household tasks, including electrical, this DeWalt step ladder will serve you well. We especially liked the ladder's wide feet and sturdy base, which provided excellent stability, even when reaching overhead. The rungs are also wider than typical rungs, making them feel a little more comfortable to stand on, even during long work sessions. Plus, the wide braces help keep it locked into position. This 4-foot ladder offers an approximate 8.5-foot maximum reach, which is enough in most homes to paint walls, clean ceiling fan blades, change ceiling light bulbs, and access the highest cupboards. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.